Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is the final video for the Volkswagen Up. It is finally now finished. And to be honest, the last stages of a rebuild is always, for me, the longest part of the rebuild, which is like the tracking, the MOT, servicing, the detailing inside and out. That's the most time-consuming job for myself, I personally think anyway. So we'll start with at the MOT station, and then the tracking, and then we'll go from there. Sorry if you can't hear me properly, I ain't got my mic on me. I'm just at the MOT station with the Volkswagen Up. Just show you underneath. It's all good, no scrapes anywhere from the forklifts, etc. But Copart, but yeah, lovely little car this one. So the Up passed its MOT with flying colours. It went straight through, which is, great news. Nice and tidy car, like you see underneath as well on the video. But yeah, it had a few months MOT left, but obviously the cars I sell, they do come with 12 months MOT always. So yeah, passed its MOT. Then I took the car for its tracking. To be honest, it did drive quite straight. I was quite surprised because obviously I changed the whole suspension. If you remember, the wishbone was bent, the tie rod was also bent, so I was quite surprised how straight it did drive before I even had the tracking done. But it's good. It's all done now. So then after that, what I need to do now is do the service and then give the car details. So I have already machine polished the car. So I just did on the video you'll see, just washing it, etc. You'll see at the end I did use Jet Seal, which is chemical guise sealant, and then wait a few hours. Obviously I buffed it off after the time. I think they say Jet Seal, I think it's about 20 minutes you leave it on, buff it off. After that I'll wait a few hours and then put chemical guise 50/50 paste wax, which I did do off camera, just letting you guys know what sort of products I was using. So we'll get straight on to the servicing of the vehicle. So the last job on the Volkswagen App to do is a service. So I've got a genuine oil and air filter, new sump plug seal and oil. So underneath is now finished, new sump plug seal. The sump plug's now torqued up to 30 Newton meters. Replacement oil filter, you don't pre-fill this one with oil. You just put a little bit of oil on the gasket like it says just here. So yeah, underneath's now done, just got to finish at top. Obviously put the oil in and replace the air filter. So now to put the oil in, as you can see, it's a bit like the Volkswagen Polo. The little cutout, so this does take a while to go down, the oil. So I've got it in a measuring jug just to slowly pour it in, just so I don't spill any basically. What I'll show you guys, the new air filter is just there, still in the packaging. It's pretty clean to be honest. I'm changing it anyway, just for peace of mind, but it's nice to see it was clean anyway. I have just quickly just give this a wipe, the airbox, so it's nice and fresh for the new filter. So I'm just going to quick get that on now. Going to whisper hello. When I saw you once, I lost control. I'm probably thinking it's taking the wrong, but I won't let you go, let you go. When you feel it, turn the lights low. Vibe of the magic, drowning my soul. Let's travel the world just for a stroll, but I won't let you go, let you go. Never let you go, let you go. Never let you go, let you go. Oh, 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 oh. So just before I show you how the Volkswagen Up is now looking all finished, let's just go back to some of the clips through the rebuild. I guess it's time to show you the Volkswagen Up all finished. The Volkswagen Up is now fully finished. MOT, tracked, serviced, detailed inside and out. This rebuild is now finished. I'm absolutely chuffed how it's turned out. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I'll do a quick walk around, but the paint work is absolutely amazing. Colour match is spot on. Obviously, like we know, this side was fully painted, same as the back bumper. Brand new front end, but the driver's wing was never replaced or painted. Hopefully on camera, the colour match is the same, but in person it is spot on. I think this one's come out a right treat, this one. I'll quickly show you the interior. So I wet vacuumed the interior, fully cleaned it, detailed, etc. But yeah, come out very nice. Smells really good as well now, ready for the new owner. The boot, I did buy a replacement partial shelf, as this car didn't come with one. It did come with the 2-stage boot floor, so you can either like that. You can take this fully out if you wanted to, or put it straight to the floor. Yeah, so the interior's come up spot on. Yeah, obviously now it looks like a 17,000 mile car. I'll just show you one last thing underneath the bonnet. It opens nice and easy, you'll see. Even under here is spotless. No slamming to shut it. All the panel gaps, sorry, are all spot on. So that's this one finished, and obviously, like you know, we've got the A1 now to start with. I'm going to be doing the dashboard this evening, the whole interior on the A1. But I just thought I'd show this. I understand it's a short video, but I just wanted to, you know, finish this rebuild project, and you know, so you guys can see how it once was and how it is now. And there's the Up goes to its new owner. So that's the Volkswagen Up now all finished and gone to its new owner. So I did all the little jobs what you see on today's video this week. Did around about 200 miles in the car as well. Drove spot on, cracking on, really good on fuel as well. So the new owners are really chuffed with the car. I'm chuffed how it turned out. Let us know in the comments what you think to the rebuild. So next week's video will be on the Audi A1. I'll be doing the interior, so the dashboard, the airbag, seat belts, etc. I'll leave a little sneak peek clip at the end of today's video. Also, if you did like today's video, smash that like button, as it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get a notification when I do a future upload. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next week on a new video. And do the same. Feel like a dentist here. Just like that. One airbag out.